It's hard to believe, but the holiday season is upon us. We've created some excellent pre-designed holiday content, and it's in the library, ready for you to use to capture more sales as holiday shopping ramps up. Let's look at how to find, preview, and install these pages on your SmartEtailing website. From your site manager, go to Content and Page Editor. Choose the Page Library tab to see all of our pre-designed pages. Click the Holiday folder to open it up and see our latest pages. From here, you can preview pages you might like to have on your website, like this holiday gift guide. When you find a page you like, use the Import Page icon to import the page into your website. Select the folder to store it in or create a new folder. If you'll use the page right away, check the box to set it to active before clicking Import. You can leave it inactive if you aren't yet ready to use it and activate it later. Click Import. Now that the page has been imported, you can go to Your Pages and find it in the folder you selected. For any page that has catalog sections, such as this gift guide, you should always confirm that the categories selected match your preferences. Edit the section and confirm the selection parameters. Since I made this one active upon import, it's ready to use in links, navigation, email marketing, and more. If you'd like to use the matching homepage graphics, instructions for doing so are at the bottom of the page. There are 2 steps we can take a look at now. In step 1, you'll copy the image path shown. Then, add a new block on your homepage by going to Content and then Homepage. Hover over the brick wall icon in the upper left-hand corner and click on WYSIWYG, and drag the WYSIWYG content row over to your homepage. Now, in the new WYSIWYG content block, click the gear icon, then click Section Settings. On the left, click the Style tab and paste the full image path you copied into the Enter Image Path field. Click Apply Settings. Now, under Step 2, select and copy the code shown. Then paste the code into the home page by hovering your mouse over the WYSIWYG content block. Click the blue Edit Content button in the left-hand corner. Click on the Code View icon. If there is any code shown, delete it and paste in the new code. Click the Code View icon again to go back to the standard view. In that same window, click on the Call to Action button. You'll see icons appear below the button. Click the Edit Link icon. Click the magnifying glass above the URL field and select the appropriate page from your pages in the folder you selected earlier. Then click Update. Click the green check mark to apply the changes. Save your changes to the page and preview it to confirm the results. If it's all good, reset your site cache to make these changes live on your site. As always, let our client success team know if you need help. And if you're on one of our maintenance or marketing programs, you can skip all of these steps and email your account coordinator to install the content for you.
Have questions, comments, or other topics you'd like us to cover in a video like this? Let us know.